Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Had some lights out malfunctioning, and definitely for something like this need a scissor lift, something to get up higher. I did this one with an extension ladder, and the ballast, you can pull the whole plate down to replace the ballast. This one came off in my hand as I was up on the ladder. Luckily, I had my arm wrapped around the pole, and I somehow caught it. Crazy, but anyway. So time to call in the electrician with a scissor lift, or rent a scissor lift. And in the future, I'll probably just rent the scissor lift. It's not too difficult. But you know, safety first on these things. You know, want to follow safety practices, and one of those is the scissor lift. Now the ballast can be replaced by pulling it down and doing the work on the ground, and I'll show you guys that more in the future.
That was close.
But there's a lot more to this story. So here's the scissor lift. It's a really cool tool to reach up where you couldn't go before. You can control it from the cart with this other deal, or you can also control it from the bottom side. And then it's also got an auxiliary power, so you can add, if you hook up an extension cord, you can give power to the outlets that are here. Anyway, you can lift up to get up higher. It's got a platform that rises up, and then you can extend that platform forward a little bit. Here's where the batteries are all held, and it's drivable. So it works pretty good. Fix up some parking lots that are higher up. Okay, so actually I have wire nuts here, so we could take them from this one, and then we can just take a piece of wire. It's already capped here.
New motor.
Ballast.
Yeah. What do you call that?
Ballast.
Ballast.
So just thought I'd include a little bit of bonus footage on the end of this. It's pretty cool with these ballasts for these parking lot lights that you can actually pull this whole plate off and then do everything on the ground. The ballast has different setups for different applications, different wiring for different voltages. So what I'm doing here is tying off the wires that I won't be using. You know, this has different applications, you know, again, different voltages, whether 120, 208, 240, 270. You know, there's a lot of different options for these, for different ballasts, but this one actually used a capacitor. I had replaced the capacitor already, and that was installed on the top. This one was the new ballast.
One wire nut up there. Okay,
ready to go.
All right,
capacitor.
Yeah. Well, no, because it's not going to work the first time, because this is the second time. last time was the first time. All right. This is the fun.
So this, I just added a little bit extra footage to show you how the plate is hooked up, and then you can wire everything up. Much better to use a scissor lift, as it's much safer, and that's how I'll be doing it going forward. This video is meant to encourage safer practices in the future for everybody.
Woo.
Standing on the edge of death and life, standing in between wrong and right. Light shines just a test. It's a challenge. Hurt or just give it all you got. It will pass. It will fade. What you see is temporary. What you don't see is eternal. It will last. Hanging with the pain. Let it fade. Let it out. Let it This temporary pain gives way to what will last. Temporary pain will pass. This too will pass. Will fade. Give way, let it fade. Help the weak.